Welcome to Establishing Brand Identity, Building Customer Loyalty, and Scaling Your Business on the Amazon Marketplace, the podcast dedicated to helping Amazon sellers create a strong brand presence, foster customer loyalty, and expand their business on the platform. In this episode, we'll explore strategies and tactics for establishing a compelling brand identity, nurturing customer relationships, and achieving long-term growth and success on Amazon. Establishing a compelling brand identity. Let's begin by understanding the importance of brand identity on the Amazon Marketplace, brand story, and values. Discuss the significance of crafting a compelling brand story and defining core values that resonate with your target audience. Branding elements. Explore the various branding elements, such as logos, colors, typography, and imagery, that contribute to a cohesive and memorable brand identity, building customer loyalty and trust. Learn strategies for building strong customer relationships and fostering loyalty. Exceptional customer service. Emphasize the importance of providing exceptional customer service, resolving issues promptly, and exceeding customer expectations to build trust and loyalty. Personalization and engagement. Discuss the value of personalizing the customer experience, engaging with customers through targeted messaging, and soliciting feedback to strengthen relationships. Leveraging brand registry and enhanced brand content. Explore how to leverage Amazon's brand registry and enhanced brand content features. Brand registry. Discuss the benefits of enrolling in Amazon's brand registry program to protect your brand's intellectual property, rights and access. Additional brand building tools and resources. Enhanced brand content. Explore how enhanced brand content allows sellers to create visually rich product listings with custom images, videos, and enhanced product descriptions to showcase brand identity and value proposition. Scaling your business on Amazon. Examine strategies for scaling your business and driving growth. Product expansion. Discuss the importance of expanding your product offerings strategically to meet customer demand and diversify revenue streams. Optimized operations. Explore ways to optimize your operations, streamline processes, and leverage automation tools to scale efficiently without sacrificing quality or customer experience. Monitoring performance and iterating strategy. Highlight the importance of monitoring performance metrics and iterating on your brand strategy. Performance metrics. Discuss key performance metrics such as sales velocity, customer reviews, and repeat purchase rate, and how to use them to measure brand performance and identify areas for improvement. Continuous improvement. Emphasize the need for continuous improvement, experimentation, and adaptation to evolving market trends and customer preferences to stay competitive and sustain growth. As we conclude this episode of Establishing Brand Identity, Building Customer Loyalty, and Scaling Your Business on the Amazon Marketplace, remember that building a strong brand presence and fostering customer loyalty are essential for long-term success on Amazon. By establishing a compelling brand identity, nurturing customer relationships, leveraging brand-building tools and resources, and continuously iterating and scaling your business, you can achieve sustainable growth and thrive in the competitive marketplace. Thank you for tuning in, and may you apply these strategies to establish and grow your brand on Amazon's platform. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, Your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.